The early bird catches the TOEFL and IELTS success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most important yet often overlooked strategies for the TOEFL and IELTS tests: arriving early and familiarizing yourself with the test center. By mastering this tip, you can give yourself a head start before you even begin answering questions. Arriving early might seem like a simple tip, but its importance cannot be stressed enough. Being early means you can avoid any unexpected delays. Traffic jams, missed buses, and other unpredictable events can set you back if you're aiming just for punctuality. Settle in and relax before the test starts. This can help reduce anxiety and make you feel more confident. Ensure you have enough time for any last-minute formalities like document verification. Walking into an unfamiliar environment can be daunting. Here's why you should familiarize yourself. Understand the layout. Know where the restrooms, waiting areas, and the actual test rooms are. Feel at ease. Recognizing the surroundings will make the environment feel less alien, which can be calming. Get to know the staff and procedures. Often, test centers have their own specific procedures. Being aware can prevent any last-minute surprises. Check the test center's location a day or two before the test. If possible, do a trial run to see how long the journey takes. Bring a watch. While you won't be allowed to use it during the test, it can help you manage your time before entering the test room. Carry necessary documents and know where they are. This will save you from last-minute panics. Dress comfortably. Consider layers, as room temperatures can vary. Engage in light conversation with fellow test takers or staff. This can be a good distraction and ease nerves. As you prepare for the TOEFL or IELTS, remember that success doesn't just come from knowing the answers. Being prepared, in every sense, is key. Arriving early and knowing your surroundings can make a huge difference in your overall test experience. We hope this video has been helpful. All the best, and here's to achieving your best score.